Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, All Things Mother of My Aunt. And I'm going to do an unboxing of some things that I got off Amazon for my daughter, my aunt. I'm kind of excited about it. You know, she just turned 1 year old, so I ordered like this Sippy cup. And then I ordered some walnut milk because I'm kind of scared to give her cow's milk because of some research I've done recently. So I'm just trying out a supplemental milk. Is that a word? Supplemental? I don't know. Who cares? But I'm trying out a new milk. So I'm going to unbox that and show you guys that. And yeah. So here we go. Let's go. What's up? I told you guys that I'm gonna show you what I got in my package. Okay, so this is gonna be quick. I don't want this to be a long video, so here we go. Some stuff is that. Nobody cares about that. So I got this green steel, green clean steel 4-pack. They're cups. It looks like this. So this is it right here. It looks like that. Comes in a pack. So I'll take it out and it looks like this, and it comes in 4s. So wow, cups, they're all wrapped up. So it looks like this. It's really nice. It's a 10-ounce cup for my baby, and this is really good. Like, you know, it's BPU free. It's a green product. You know, we all want to go green. This is what they look like. Come in 4s. Haha. Take them out, take them out. And then another thing is they stack really nice. They stack really, really nice. So if you plan on, you know, you put them in your cabinet, if you want to, you can stack them just like that. I've already kind of like started to make this whole video, and then my camera stopped working, stopped recording, so I had to figure out why, and I figured it out. I figured out why. So anyway, I ended up accidentally deleting my footage. So anyway, so my box is already open. I got these, you can see, and it has a little lip here. So I'm gonna pop these bad boys open, but it's called Boom Snug Spout. It's a silicone sippy lid. So a lot of you moms out there like silicone because it's good for your child to put in their mouth. Let's try to open these. I'm so good at this stuff, man. So good. So I noticed that it says that it's spill proof, and it also says that it fits on most cups. So you can actually use this not just on these stainless steel cups, but you can use it on like most any sippy cup that your child may have. So that's a deal right there. Okay, so let's open this because I don't want this video to be too long. But I just kind of want to show you guys, you know, what I'm trying out for my daughter, and hoping that, you know, she likes it, and I hope that, you know, I end up liking it. Okay, so this, just took it out the pack, and it comes like with this little plastic deal in here, so you just take that out. That just keeps the form in there, so take that out. Trash. So it looks like this, and I like it already. I kind of like it. So I'm gonna take this out. We don't need it, and we don't need it. So let's take one of these cups and let's see how it works. Okay. Let's try to flip it over. I'm gonna try to do this without putting the cup on the table. I don't know how successful I'll be, but let's see. right, it's going. Nice. Okay, I'm getting it. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna like this. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. Okay, so there's like this tiny little, God, I don't know if you can see it. There's this tiny little hole in there. Can you see it? Well, you squeeze it, you can see a little opening right there. So definitely there's no, and then there's like a little hole right here too. So I don't think, you know, if she had a drink and it fell on the ground, I don't think it's going to spill, you know, and if it did, it would just be like a little bit. So that's this part, which I'm excited about. I can just see her. So I'll make another video with her actually drinking out of it, and you know, just to show you guys like how that goes. Okay, so this is the, what you call the Boon Snug Spout, and I'll put links at the bottom so you guys can, like, if you guys want to go purchase. And I'm not sponsored by any of these people, by the way. But if you guys want to go check out the link, then go check it out. I'll have that available. After the Sippy Spout, I also purchased a Boon Snug straw. So this is what this looks like. Boon Snug straw. And it has the little deals with the straw. I'm so excited. Okay, let's cut this one open. Mind you, I'm making this video pretty late. When I started this video, it was early on in the day. And then my camera started acting weird. And then my daughter has been pretty fussy today, so she's been kind of just connected to the boob all day. So I've been nursing like crazy today. So I don't know, she's just been kind of fussy. So I just let her have it. So now here I am, almost 10 o'clock at night. This says that it's spill proof, and it also fits on most cups. So that's exciting. Haha. Okay. So let's try this. And also these come with the little plastic deals in there to keep its form. So we'll go ahead and take those off. So the colors I got yellow, and I got blue, and then I got orange for these. And then for my other deals, my sippy cups, I got pink, or what color is that? Pink, or some kind of pink, yeah. And then I got, what color is this? Another sort of pink, fuchsia. And then I have blue. I know y'all need to go back to school. So then I have these cool straws, which are also, I believe these are also silicone. The straws, they're not silicone, but it definitely can be reused. Let's just put it like that. These products are BPA free. You can do your research on that individually, make sure it's good for your child. So the straws are good. So let's see. Let's try to put one of these on so we can see what's going on. Put this on. And it fits really, really, really good. Really, really good. And then you can put your straw in there. And there's a hole right in the middle. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So one thing I really like about this particular cup is that I have options, and I'm a mother that likes to have options. So I do like to make smoothies, and I'm going to be making smoothies for my daughter, who's 1. So I want her to be able to have a cup where she can, you know, suck through a straw, because she actually likes straws. She likes to bite on them. So I want her to be able to, you know, have her own little smoothie cup, and it's pretty much secure. She drops it, I don't have to worry about it getting everywhere. So I think this is a winner. So I'll make another video and show you guys what that looks like with the smoothie. So these are my cups. Comes 4 10-ounce cups, and then I have my Sippy spouts for her juices and water, and then I have my little lids here, and then I have my straws. Voila, voila, voila. Okay, last thing that I wanted to show you guys was that I ordered some walnut milk. So she's 1 year old now, so I'm trying to supplement a different type of milk other than, you know, other than breast milk, because I'm starting to not produce as much. Just for me, I didn't want to give her cow's milk at all. I'm just kind of, you know, did some research on cow's milk, and I just don't feel like cow's milk is good for my child. Now, I'm not, you know, whatever you want to do with your child, that's on you, but how I feel is I want to give her something different, and I researched walnut milk, and it has a lot of good benefits that come along with it. And this is not going to be her main milk, but just something, you know, that my mom watches her, so it's just something that you know, she can get outside of breast milk, you know, to kind of just, you know, wing her through the day. So I'm gonna open that up so I can show you guys what it looks like. First of all, the product is called Elmhurst. It's called Elmhurst, and they package it in this box. So I'm gonna pop it open for you guys. And I'm really hoping that it's not damaged or anything. The milk is not, the cartons are not. Fingers crossed. Alright, I have to check it out. The dates. So this is what it looks like, guys. Milked walnut. Elmhurst. Organic. Omega 3s. Tells you to shake it well before, you know, you drink. So it tells you to shake it well. I'm gonna read the back of it because this is all new to me, so I'm trying this out. I'm gonna try it, and I'm hoping that my daughter likes it when she drinks it, because I'm like really, you know, I'm really liking the carton, by the way. So it says, historic dairy goes nuts. A lifelong dairyman and a renowned visionary in plant-based nutrition sound like a match. Not really. Maybe that's exactly why it works. Henry Swartz, owner of the last dairy in New York City, had a fortuitous meeting with Dr. Cheryl Mitchell, who had spent decades developing hydro-release, a unique method using water to separate and draw nutrients from nuts, grains, and seeds to produce naturally smooth, creamy beverage without any added emulsifiers or thickeners. Inspired by Dr. Cheryl, Henry made the shocking move to close the 90-year-old dairy, start anew, and give its name Elmhurst to a new innovative line of plant milks. We believe that plant-based milks should taste just like their source. That's why we have only a few simple ingredients in each carton. Simpler is better. Enjoy. So I'm excited. So the ingredients, you can see the ingredients here. So it doesn't have a lot in there. Filter water, walnuts, cane sugar, salt, natural flavors. We'll see how this goes. I'm hoping that my aunt will like her new supplemental milk. I said supplemental. Is that a word? I think it is. If it's not, I just made one up. So anyway, I'll show you guys next video how that goes. So I just want to thank you guys for watching my video. If you want to, you can click the subscribe button and the bell so that you won't miss anything that I'm posting in the future. So I just want to thank you guys again for coming to my channel, and I hope that you got something out of it. So you know, mothers, don't stress yourself out. You know, just try to do the best that you can, you know, with these products, and try it out, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So love you guys. Have a good one.